Good morning, RC enthusiasts and RC YouTubers out there. Thank you for watching my video. I am the RC Whisperer. If you do like my channel, please go and subscribe, hit the like button, hit the share button, take the bell, and give it a good old smash. And if you want, just leave a little comment and I will get back to you as soon as possible when I have the time. Anyways, for 2 years I've been waiting to buy this awesome RC car and pickup truck, and obviously you can see it is from Traction Hobby, and as you can see it is the Ford F-150 Raptor. This one comes with 4-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, front-wheel drive, and it has locking diffs. Well, let's not keep the suspense going anymore. Let's get the box opened and see what's up. I did open it up before because I wanted to see what was inside, if it was complete. Alright, well, anyways, I have to put the box down. And as you can see, also got my HT transport here. I didn't open up this one yet. Go. Compared to the Hummer, it is pretty big. I kept this on for me to peel away for you guys, because people like that, and it's also very satisfying for me. So, got that off, out of the way. And as you can see, compared to my Hummer, it is pretty large. It's about that bit bigger. It's just as wide. Anyways. This is the remote. All sorts of buttons here. It's got 3 buttons on here. Let's see. Yeah, that's all it is. Just 3 buttons here. Channel 7, Channel 8, Channel 9, Channel 10. Yeah, here we go. Channel 3 and 4. Okie dokie. The instruction manual for the remote. Now you got the link bar, some 2 extra springs, some tools. This looks like a stability or a torsion bar. Oh, that's pretty neat. I'm just gonna have to take a look, see what's all in here. Anyways, okay. What I'm gonna keep, I'm gonna have to put in there. Yeah. Okie dokie. Let's see what's in here. The instruction manual. That is a nice instruction manual. Ooh, lots of stickers though. Jeez, they really went all out on this thing, didn't they? That's a lot of stickers. Okay, so anyways, I don't have a battery for it yet because it has a different connection than my other RCs. So, but I did finally get a battery and a charger for my son of a digger of the Losi LMT 2.0. Here's the bottom side of the body. It does have an interior, which is very cool. Let me just put this aside for quick. And here we go. Here's the chassis. If you guys know this truck, it has a 775 brush motor. I'm not going to upgrade it, of course. No brushless stuff for me, because the faster you go, the more things tend to break. It has independent suspension on the front, and it has a straight axle in the rear. The articulation is very, very cool. I'm going to install the other bar here. I need to see what I could do with this cable here. If it's going to touch anything, or no, it's okay. Yeah, it's very, very nice. Got some nice hardware here, some metal parts. It looks very, very, very professional. See, this is the kind of connector I was talking about. So I'm going to need to get another adapter connector for this for my new battery. Oh. A balancer charger, because I do hear from some people that when they connect their batteries to their charger, sometimes they explode or something happens, or they burn out, and this is to prevent it. My new battery for my Losi LMT 2.0 son of a digger. It's a 2S, because I'm going to firstly practice to drive with this thing before I go any faster with it. So, and I'm not really, I do bash, but I mean, I don't like to roll them or break them or something like that, because they're expensive as they are. The body is also very expensive, parts are expensive. So I tend to take it easy with my RCs. Just to let you know, man. You can send me a message telling me to bash them or whatever. I'm not going to listen. Because like I said, these things are expensive as they are. Why? Because I just don't want to go in. Only wastes time. Righties, got that sorted out. And my little charger. This is a touchscreen. It's a HTRC. I just got one for one battery because I'm on a budget, so I have to think about my bills. That's okay, just charging one battery time is fine, you know, so I don't mind that. See, then it has some cables here and charging cables for other batteries, but I'm not going to get into that right now. Anyways, guys, hopefully the next time you see this awesome RC truck, I'm going to be taking out on the trails, of course. And well, I forgot to mention, because if you guys don't know this truck, it has lights all around on the rear here as well, over here. Now the lights here in the mirrors and the front as well, in the bumpers. So, but gonna be, next time when I film this thing, I will take it out onto the trails and see what's up, and yeah, and as well as at night. And these are pretty big chunky tires, so I thought this thing would be a little bit smaller, but it's very nice. It's very cool the way it is. Oh, it doesn't have a sunroof. That's very, very neat. I'm chuffed with this thing. Very, very chuffed. So anyways, see you in the next video. Thank you again for subscribing and for watching. I know my videos are a bit boring at the moment, and someone did mention that, yeah, that my videos are actually crap or SH1T. So I wasn't too happy about that, but that's my first bad comment, and he unsubscribed from my channel, but I watch his channel, and yeah, he also shows videos of him building RCs and doing and tuning them or whatever. So what's the difference what I'm doing? I also do a bit of reviews for you guys, so you see what you can buy and what you can expect if you buy something. So so what's the difference between me and him? I mean, I didn't rat on his channel, and I said, oh, you make awesome content. And then he goes out to say, oh, but this is what people don't want to see. It's bad for your channel. Well, it's bad for my channel. Let me know. Let me know what I'm doing wrong. Let me know what I can improve on myself. But at the moment, I'm just in the starting phase in Facebook. So I'm trying to kind of come out of my shell. I'm a very shy person. I don't like to be on camera. I don't like to show my face in front of a camera, because, you know. Anyways, but I'm trying to get past that. I'm trying to break down that wall and overcome that, I'm trying to climb that mountain and then reach the top and then climb back down, so at least I can get more confidence in myself, because I'm also not a very confident person. But I like to show off my RCs. I like to show off how I build them or what I do and whatnot. And this guy goes like, "Yeah, you make crap videos." Well, whatever, dude. I don't care. That only motivates me, inspires me to better myself. So if there's things that I can better myself in, please let me know. But anyways, enough blah blah blah. Thank you again for watching. Thank you again for subscribing. Take care, stay safe, have fun out there, and have fun out there on the RC trails. Okay, bye, see ya.